Thanks for joining me. This is Tony with Kleaneasy Carpet and Floor Cleaning. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you the amazing results of our carpet cleaning system called the Rotovac DHX. Looking at this picture here, this was a home out in Harvest. Repeat customer. I've used this 2 or 3 times in the past. They have a teenage daughter who has this room, and this is the area where she gets ready to go to school in the mornings. And you can see that there's makeup spots here and a big soda stain there and just a lot of traffic dirt. But after using our Rotovac system, you can see that that is completely eliminated. Very thorough, deep clean. And then this is right outside the doorway of that daughter's room right there. And you can see this is a bathroom right here. And there's just a lot of dirt embedded in there from coming across this floor, this hallway area here coming into her bedroom. And you can see there's just lots of stains, spots, spills, and just traffic dirt. And here's of course, the after. Looks brand new. And then here, this is the same house. This is downstairs, right outside the kitchen area is a hallway here that's tile and grout. This is a laundry room right here, and then on up the hallway a little bit it goes into the kitchen area. So there's a lot of grease and oil from cooking. And this downstairs bedroom, which is occupied by their teenage son, obviously has a lot of embedded oil and dirt, just spots and stains just from walking in from the tile and grout. And then here's the end result. And of course this is our DHX Rotovac machine right there. But you just see these really great results. This is brightened up quite a bit. All of the oil and grease has been removed. These are the kind of results we get on a consistent basis. If you're interested, this is a 5-bedroom home with a set of stairs that we did, and the price was only $189 using the Rotovac system, plus free deodorizer and 1 room of carpet protection. And they chose to have the master bedroom protected. Thanks for watching, and if we can be of help to you, call or text 256-886-9100, or you can visit our website at carpetcleaninghuntsville.com.